Good morning, class. Hope all of you are doing fine. So, beta, we were doing domain names in the previous class. So, we would be continuing with that chapter only. Okay, domain names. So, we had completed till question number 13, means question number 1, part 13. Now, we have to begin with the 14th part of this exercise only. 14th part is air transport industry. So the domain name of air transport industry would be dot aero. Okay, dot aero, AERO. 15th, Asia Pacific region. Asia Pacific region domain name would be dot Asia. 16th, professions. Professions domain name would be dot pro, PRO. 17th, international organization. International organization domain name would be dot INT. Dot INT. 18th one, mobile devices. Domain name for mobile devices would be dot MOBI. Domain name for mobile devices would be MOBI. Please take down the screenshot, students. Please take down the screenshot so that we could continue with this exercise. Okay, I'm rubbing it off. I hope all of you have taken down the screenshot. So the 19th part of this exercise is internet communication services. Internet communication service domain name becomes dot TEL. Dot TEL. TEL. Now the last part of this exercise, that is 20th part, companies. Companies become dot JOBS, jobs. Okay. Dot JOBS. Now at the end it is given, do you know? Okay. So IP, please take down the screenshot first. Please take down the screenshot, students. Okay, beta. So IP stands for what? Internet protocol. Internet protocol that you have to follow. Internet protocol. Please take down the screenshot. And URL stands for what? Stands for universal resource universal resource locator. Okay. URL stands for Universal Resource Locator. Please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot. By this, we have come to an end of this particular chapter, that is domain name. Now, let's continue with another chapter of your book, that is chapter number 37, topic pioneer scientist of India. Okay. So another topic is pioneer scientist of India. Okay. Now, first of all, name of the name of all the scientists described in the circles have been. Okay. So this is the exercise. First of all, write down what do you mean by pioneer. It is a person, pioneer is a person who begins, or helps develop something new and prepares the way for others to follow. Okay? A person who begins or helps to develop something new and prepare the way for others to follow. Or, firstly, take down the screenshot. What does pioneer mean? So, pioneer is a person who begins or helps to develop something new and prepare the way for others to follow it. Please take down the screenshot, students. Or you can also say, after follow, put a full stop, then write a person who is one of the first to settle in an area. Okay, a person who is one of the first to settle in an area. That means pioneer. Now, please take down the screenshot. I hope you have understood what pioneer means and how pioneer scientists of India we are going to deal with. Okay, I hope all of you have taken down the screenshot. So, by this definition, beta, we have come to know that what are pioneer? Pioneer is a person that does something in an area for the first time, who prepares or builds a field. Okay, now the names of all the scientists described in a circle have been given in the help box. Find out their names and write them down in the space provided. So, first one is, he is called the father of India's chemical industry. He was a great chemist of India. He was also the author of the History of Hindu Chemistry, which has been recognized worldwide. He also actively participated in politics along with Gandhiji and G.K. Gokhale. So, who was this person we are talking about? Let me rub it off. So, who is this person that we are talking about? First one is P.C. Ray. P.C. Ray. You are going to write down the full name of this person also? Praful. Just a second. Praful Chandra Ray. So PC Ray stands for Praful Chandra Ray. Now the second part. He is the man behind Green Revolution in India. He invented techniques to raise agricultural production. He developed high yielding variety of wheat and rice. Who is this person we are talking about? Okay, the person in this chapter that we are going to talk about are all the pioneers of India, pioneer scientists of India that have done something new in some or the other fields. So his name is, answer number 2 is M.S. Swaminathan. Swaminathan. This is the person that we are talking about, who was behind Green Revolution in India and who invented techniques to raise agricultural production. Okay, so please write down the answer. Now let's move on to the third one. Who is the third person that we are going to talk about? He was a great mathematician and a physicist. He introduced statistics which okay. So he was a great mathematician and a physicist. He introduced statistics which explain the behavior of radiation, the elementary particle like photons and alpha particle which obey Bose statistics have been named bosons. Okay. So who was this person? This person was Satyendra Nath Bose. Okay. It was which obey Bose statistics. Okay. So his name was Satyendra Nath Bose. Or as in your book it is written S.N. Bose. S.N. Bose. Please take down the screenshot, students. Please take down the screenshot. I'm rubbing it off. The fourth part of this exercise is he is a science fiction writer and a great astrophysicist. He did his research work in astronomy at Cambridge University under Fred Hoyle, who was one of the best astrophysicists in the world. So, what was the name of this scientist? His name was J.V. Narlikar. Okay, his full name is Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. Okay, so this is his full name. Fifth part. Sorry, this was the fifth part. Okay, science fiction. He was the fifth part, and now I am going to do the fourth part. He was India's topmost ornithologist. Though he did not have any degree or formal education of the subject, but with his hard work and zest, he gained fame in this field. He wrote many books on birds and animals. His name is Salim Ali. His name is Salim Ali. This is the fifth part and this is the fourth part. Okay. Please take down the screenshot, students. Please take down the screenshot. So I'm rubbing it off. Sixth part is he was the first director of the National Physical Laboratory of India. He was a great physicist who worked under Sir S.V. Raman in the field of optics. He was elected a Fellow of Royal Society in 1940. So, who was this scientist? He was K.S. Krishnan. He was K.S. Krishnan. The seventh one. He established the Institute of Paleobotany Fellow Botany at Lucknow. He was a great fellow botanist. The institute which he established is named after him, and his name is Birbal Sahani. Okay, his name is Birbal Sahani. Please take down the screenshot. He was the founder of a magazine called Science and Culture. He was one of the best astrophysicists of India. His discovery helps the astronomer to know the temperature, pressure, and many other facts about the interior of any star, including the sun. Who was this scientist? This scientist's name was this scientist's name was Meghnad Saha. Meghnad Saha. Okay. Now please take down the screenshot. Meghnad Saha. Please take down the screenshot. Okay, beta. We would be continuing this chapter in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.